Similarly to appointment settings, services in the location are drawn from the system defaults. So if you come back to the system level, you can see your services, and these were all created by the system admin. And all of your services, they can have a CPT code built in, build unit, a default price, whether they're taxable status, and then they're categorized as a specific kind of service. So in the location, if I come back to settings and then services, you can create location specific services. And you can also, if the system level admin has this turned on, so under your system configuration, the system admin can moderate location services. This means that if somebody requests that a service be added to their network, it's going to alert the system admin, and they can approve or deny. So pending requests are going to be here. So let's say this one, massage therapy with care plan. So it's used as an add-on with commitment to the care plan. I'm going to go ahead and approve that. And it will then appear in the location that requested it. So under services, it would then show under location specific, but it was a different location that requested it. You can also view your pending requests, and again, the system defaults. So within the system defaults, depending on your network, so if you are part of a franchise that requires that you leave this alone, then don't touch this, obviously. But let's say that you're part of a franchise that some locations have nutritional consults and some don't. You can uncheck the ones that you don't use. Come back down to N, and they will not show in your search when you go to search for nutritional consult, when you are billing a patient or posting a transaction. Those won't even show in your options. So you can remove things from here. You can also override the pricings. So again, if you are part of a network or a franchise or a group that does not allow price overrides, that is between you and your franchise. You guys need to communicate that about that together. But if you override services, then it will show with this blue color. It'll show your amount and the system amount. So that is services. Within your service, the only thing that you can override at the location level is the default price. You cannot change the categorization, CPT code. You can change place of service and whether it's taxable. And I'm just going to delete this override so you can see what it looks like when I delete it. Now it is white and looks correct here. And again, since this network has moderation of new services turned on, if I click create service and I put in the service name, price, taxable, etc., there is a message to the organization admin that will be delivered to them, basically requesting that this service be added to your location. So put as much detail in here as you can for your system admin. Now services, if I just pull up a patient, now all services that are included and checked there will appear here when I'm searching. So a little tip for you, if you type in a few letters, it's going to pull up every service that has those letters. So I'm just going to search for nutritional consult, and you'll see that it's not there because I unchecked it. You have your inventory here as well as your services.